Welcome to VISTA Training, and thank you for purchasing one of our Jurnee products. A Jurnee Instructor Kit is designed to help you with all of your equipment operator training needs. In order to accomplish this, we offer multiple ways to use the kit to train your trainees. One option allows you to reduce the amount of time in the classroom and use the time with your trainees more effectively. This is the alternate route. A big part of the success of the Jurnee Instructor Kits is the VISTA course access that is included in each kit. The VISTA course gives trainees an overview of information about their equipment and some basic techniques for inspection and operation. Seeing these items in the course before going on to complete the hands-on training has proven to be a very effective form of operator training. In the traditional training option outlined in the instructor kits, you will watch the course with the students during the classroom portion of the training. Yet there are times when you do not have the time or facilities to allow for this. If this is the case, the alternate route is the way to go. The alternate route, or optional course plan 1, is outlined in the appendix of your instructor training guide. What's different about this route is that the students watch the VISTA course before they come to class. Then, when you are in the classroom portion, you will take some time to reconnect the students to some key points in the course and reinforce important safety topics. After that, you complete the final exam, if not already completed, and head out to the hands-on training exercises. This greatly reduces the amount of time in the classroom and overall training. If the alternate route is the best choice for you, you will need to begin by setting up your students in the course so they can take the VISTA course before class. When you purchased your Jurnee Instructor Kit, you were given access to 10 student accounts. You will need to set up these students in the VISTA Learning Management System, or LMS, and purchase any additional student accounts if required. Let's help show you how to get all of this set up. To start with, you will need to determine if you will be the person setting up accounts and answering questions, or if there is another person who will be responsible. They will become the administrator. The next step will be to contact VISTA Training. They will send you instructions for setting up all of your student accounts. You will need to give them your site name, narrowed down to a single word, like VISTA rather than VISTA Training Inc. You will also need to give them the administrator's name and contact information. They will set up your initial account and get you ready to train. Once your account is set up, you will access the account as either the administrator or instructor. The administrator will be responsible for setting up the user accounts and resetting the program if needed. This is a pretty simple task and could be completed by anyone, so don't be intimidated by the title administrator. If you are not the administrator, you will be logged in as the instructor, whereas all the students are logged in as learners. You will have access to the courses you purchased and be able to move through the courses online, but cannot make changes to who has access to the course or reset the course. The administrator will be responsible for setting up all of the user accounts. It is as simple as entering names and email addresses. They will also be setting up user IDs and passwords. And that's pretty much it. The complete instructions are sent to the administrator once they contact VISTA Training. Once all of the accounts are set up, each user needs to be added into the course you will be training them in. Again, another pretty simple step. As the administrator sets up the user account, they will click the tab at the top of the screen that says Courses. Once clicked, a list of available courses appears. The user is added to the course by clicking the plus sign in that course list. That's it. The user has been created and added to the course. The final thing would be to notify the user that the course is available at vistalearn.com and give them their username and password. Once they receive this, they are able to log in and start the course. Having them take the course ahead of time truly reduces the amount of time spent in the classroom and allows your students to have a knowledge base about what they are to learn before arriving. This helps them to be more prepared and allows you as an instructor to get right to work. Hopefully, this has given you an overview of what to do to set up your students to take the alternate route and get moving on their training journey right away. Thank you again for purchasing a Jurnee Instructor Kit. If you have any questions or problems, feel free to contact us at VISTA Training Inc. As always, remember, training is not a destination, it's a journey.